Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI accounting software platform, which is Hubdoc and FreshBooks. So to get started, in 2025, FreshBooks remained a popular full-featured accounting solution built for freelancers and small business. It offers invoicing, time tracking, expense management, payment, and reporting, all in a clean, user-friendly interface. It's designed to be your central hub for managing day-to-day business finances, while Updoc, by contrast, is a document automation tool. It pulls receipts, bills, and bank statements from multiple sources, extracts the data, and sync it with your accounting software such as QuickBooks and Zero. It's great for saving time and improving accuracy in bookkeeping tasks. These two tools don't directly compete, they actually complement each other. FreshBooks handles your core accounting functions, while Hubdoc acts as a back-end support tool to feed data into your accounting system. And here's a very conclusion about the two accounting platform. So choose FreshBooks if you need a standalone accounting platform, and use Hubdoc alongside a supported accounting app if your goal is to automate document collection and reduce manual data entry. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.